How to add subdomain in Hostinger. So before we start, check out the best hosting services. They are recommended by experts with years of experience. To choose your one, click the link in the description below. So let's get started. First of all, I am on my Hostinger H panel and you just need to go to the websites on the top and then you need to select your particular website and tap on the manage button. Once you tap on this will take you to this kind of dashboard where you need to go for the domains on your left hand side. So simply scroll down a little and go for domains, and now we have the option of subdomain. So tap on this and as you can see we can now enter our subdomain. Once you are done, you can also go with custom folder for your subdomain, but you have to enter your folder name as well. Once you are done, tap on this create button, and once you have created your subdomain, you can also delete this if you want to delete your subdomain as well. So that was the process of how you can add subdomain in Hostinger.